Hello there, this is my channel Tugustu Zarion. Support me, motivate me by subscribing my channel. Today I will show you here how to use Google Chrome, the most popular type of web browser that's found through the world. A web browser it is a software that helps you to display or open multimedia files. When we say multimedia files, picture, audio, video, animation based also can be visible. Now, here the popular type of browser. Throughout the world, about 3 billion people are using this YouTube site all over the world. It's possible to upload and use videos like me, thanks to the technology. Here I am showing you how to use Google Chrome using keyboard, tab and window management. Open a new tab, Control plus T. Says open a new tab. To open a new tab, Control plus key. I have opened already, but to add additional tab, I have 3 tabs: Channel Content tab, YouTube tab, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo tab. Additional tab, Control on the keyboard. At the same time, Control with letter. Add additional tab, Control T again. It adds additional tabs. Next is closing the tab, Control plus W. For instance, I have opened here, Control plus W. It helps you to close. Control T to open, Control W to close. Reopen last closed tab, Control Shift T. Control Shift T. It opens the last tab, visited tab. Closing again, Control Shift T. Reopen again. In case of Control T, it opens a new tab. When we add a Control Shift T, it opens the last closed tab. Let me close here, search Yahoo, Control Shift T. It reopens the last closed tab. Open any window, Control T is from already opened window, a new tab. In case of Control N is new Google Chrome, new Google Chrome, new Google Chrome. Control N. Open new incognito window, it Control Shift N, and the new login tab. Mostly you may notice this type of window. Just as a knowledge here, you can use. Close the current window, Control Shift W. Control Shift W, this one, to close this. The window is open, closed. Start menu, Chrome. You can type Chrome. HR, or you can type the first word from the phrase GO, then choose Google Chrome, then Control Shift T. It helps you to open the last closed window. Control Shift T. Switch to the next tab, Control Tab, Control Tab. Using Control Tab. control tab. Instance, here let me open two tabs. Control tab to change, to exchange the tabs. Switch the previous tab, Control Shift plus tab. In case of to go to the last tab, Control plus 9, it says number 9. Here, I am here on the first tab, then to go to the last, Control 9. If I have many tabs here, it's possible to go to, if I am here in the first tab, to go to the last, Control with number 9. Last tab. Control tab, it exchanges the tab. What about reloading the page? Control plus R, or you can use F5 to refresh. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. F5 refreshes again. If you are on the case of uploading, you have not used this key. In case of not loading the page, it's possible to use this key or Control plus R refresh. What about reloading? Control Shift plus R or Shift plus F5. Go back, left arrow with Alt key. Left arrow, this one. Go back. Alt plus left arrow on the keyboard. Front, Alt plus right arrow. Right arrow. Scroll down, you can use a space or pick it down. Scroll down, space. You can use a space on the keyboard. Space bar helps you to go up or down, or the directional arrow keys also. Shift plus space, page up, scroll up, it helps you. Go to the top of the page, home, you can press home, and on the keyboard there is an end key. It helps you to go to the end of the page. End, for instance, end on the keyboard. Home to the beginning of, to the top. Full screen mode, F11. Keyboard key, F11. Full screen mode. To return back, again pressing F11. F11 full screen. Okay, go to the address bar, Control plus L. Letter L. Have you seen? It is chosen, you can type Control plus L, or you can use Control plus E as alternative, or you can use Alt plus D. Here, Alt plus D. Alt plus D. Alt key with D as alternative. Then you can change, or you can type the address. Search the current page, Control plus F3. Control plus F3. Or Control F. Sorry, Control plus F. Searches. For instance, DHS, DHS are here, got it. DHS is here from the page. Find the next map, Control plus G. Okay, bookmark the current page, Control D. Bookmark to put as a favorite. So alternatively, Control plus key. Control plus D. If it is your favorite, Control plus D, then bookmark, you can give it the name and you can choose the folder, then done. In case of zoom in is control plus P, plus sign. In case of zoom out is minus control plus. Now zooming minus control without releasing control key. Same to other pages. Control plus, zoom out, control minus, control minus, plus, 100% is appropriate one. Reset to zoom default. Firstly, control with 0. Now I have increased, for instance, control with plus. To return to the original plus, control with the number 0. 100, it makes 100%. Is enough? Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.